welcome back to H&L Moto's Motor Minute. It's Chris again, and today I'm coming to you from Oatman, Arizona. And if you've never been to Oatman, it is definitely something to put on your list. This is part of the Route 66 fun run that happens once a year. And Oatman is a ghost town outside of Kingman, 30-40 miles through a nice mountainous road. It's a great drive up here. And what everybody comes up here for is, first of all, to see the town, but also to see the burros, as you see behind me. So the burros are here because when the town was abandoned, they basically left all their equipment and they left their burros, and then the burros just continue to go ahead and flourish and reproduce, and now it's kind of their town. So you go to Oatman, you go for the burros, and you go to see a little bit of Arizona history. So hope you enjoyed this little segment. I really love coming to Oatman. Like I said, the drive out here is definitely fun. Nice winding road. Kind of like the one going to Tortilla Flat, but there's no guardrails. So anyhow, have a great day. Remember to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks.